We all know 2024 is coming to an end, and probably you want to go into a business or you want to start a business 2025, and you're wondering what kind of business do I start or how do I go about it. In today's video, I want to tell you all businesses you can start 2025 and how to go about it. Are you a young lady, elderly woman, middle age, whatever age bracket you are? You can start your own business. It's never too late to start your own business. I know probably you've been saving up for 2025, and today I'll be listing some of the businesses you can do. But first of all, there are things to consider before starting up any business. So this is what I'm here to tell you all about. Do not go anywhere. First of all, what do you need to have in mind? What do you need to have in mind before starting up any business? One, you need to target your audience. Yes, it's very, very important for you to know who you are starting the business for. Of course, you're not starting the business for yourself because you're not going to purchase everything you are selling. So you need to know, who am I getting this things for? Who are my audience? Secondly, where are they? Where are they located? You wouldn't want to start off something that probably where you are, people don't use things like that. Probably you're in the north. I want to start off something that you know that in the north they don't use these things. Just like, I'm not saying that, I just want to use fashion for instance. I'm not saying that people in the north don't care about fashion and all of that, but you don't just want to go into fashion in the north. Like, you want to go into fashion, you want to go into weird. Like, when I mean weird, I mean like, you know, Chikalas wears or all these babes wears. You wouldn't want to go into such a business there because you know that north they don't really dress like that. Like, they don't really dress like that. You know that in the north it's like they have a particular uniform, like their rappers and all of that. So you wouldn't want to go into wears, selling wears. Like, understand what I'm saying? When I say wears, I mean like all these young attires. You know how young girls dress now, young ladies dress. It's not found in the north. It's not found in the north. The things you can see in the north is probably they sell high target trappers and all of that. These are the things you can see there. So if you want to go into a business, you need to figure out where you are, your location. What do they need? What do they need? These are the things you need to consider. And another thing is your budget. You need to set out budget for yourself. You wouldn't want to start up a business above your budget, because at the end of the day you are going to go bankrupt and you go around begging people for money, and that is one thing you wouldn't want to do. As a business person, you need to carve a niche for yourself. What do I want to venture into? Don't go into business because your friends are into business, or because this person is doing this, or because this person is selling that and it's making waves. So let me just go into it. No, you need to carve a niche for yourself. Set out, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. For instance, myself, I'm into skincare products. Yeah, and I sell male, female wears. Just to add up, you understand? But my main niche is actually skincare products. So you need to figure out, what do I need? What do people need? Sorry, what do people need? You need to figure out what do people need before you go into any business. Now, don't be asking, yeah, I want to go into business, but I don't have the means. I don't have what it takes to go into a business. Yeah, I got you covered. You can start up in a little way. You can start up in a little way. Like, for instance, when I start my business with just 50,000 naira. Some will be like, 50,000 naira. What did you buy with 50,000 naira? Yeah, I started my business with 50,000 naira. You all know I'm into importation, and the first time I had to order a good, I didn't have so much money. But what did I do? I used what I have to purchase. I think I purchased the whole item cost like 30,000 because that was my first time, and there was not enough capital, and I cleared the goods with 13,000 naira. So you don't need much money. If you don't have much money to start up a business, you don't need to kill yourself. You just have to start with what you have. Okay? Now, number one way to start up a business when you don't have so much money is drop shipping. Don't be wondering what is drop shipping. I know drop shipping is like, it's everywhere, but probably you don't know what the name is. You see people that they purchase goods, they get goods from someone, probably on credit, or maybe you pay in something and you get the goods from the person, and when you are done selling, you pay up. You understand? You pay up. That is what dropshipping is, because a lot of people operate that but they don't know what it's called. That is dropshipping. You can start up with dropshipping. You can just start up, meet someone that you know is doing well in business, and you know that, oh, okay, this person will understand. Explain to the person, tell the person, oh, okay, I want to go into business, but I don't have what it takes. But I really, 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 really want for it. So what you're gonna do is to get what you want from the person. Probably you deposit something or just pay in something, just pay in some amount of money, and you pick up the goods. Once you're done selling, pay up, like clear your debts, pay up, and you see yourself blossoming. That is how you start. You don't just sit around waiting for people to give it, because I mean the economy is not smiling on anybody right now. Especially if you're in Nigeria, you should know that the economy is not smiling on anybody now. So you wouldn't want to go around begging, because nobody has to give. Nobody has to give. So these are the things you need to put in place before starting up a business. Check, what do I want? Who are my audience? Your audience are very, very important. Who are my audience? My audience, are they young? My audience, are they middle age? My audience, are they elderly? These are the things you need to put in place before starting up any business, so that you won't purchase what you want to buy and you keep looking around, looking for who to patronize you, or you keep forcing your product or whatever you're selling down people's throats because you didn't do the things you are supposed to do. That being said, now I'm going to list out some of the things you can, some of the items or some of products you can start selling. Yeah, products, and also some businesses you can go into. Yeah, I'm going to list out some businesses you can go into, like top excelling businesses you can go into. One is cosmetics. I'm not saying cosmetics because I'm into cosmetics or I'm into beauty. No, that is not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is why this is actually topping my chart is because people want to look good. People want to look good each and every day. So imagine going into a cosmetics business. It's going to make waves, like you're going to make a lot of money. I'm using myself on Instagram because I'm into cosmetics and I see what I'm doing, like I see what I'm getting. Trust me, you don't just start up and you start seeing the profit and all of that, but you just have to start somewhere. These are for people that just want to start a business and you don't know how to go about it. Go into cosmetics, yes. Go into cosmetics. You're going to make a lot of money. People want to look good each and every day. People want to look their best. So going into cosmetics, skincare products, you are going to make huge amounts of money. Okay. Secondly, is probably you want to go into business. You want to start like baking, or people want to eat. People are going to keep eating. That is just the thing. People are going to keep eating. People are going to keep having events. So you imagine yourself like a caterer and all of that. You just go into catering, and next thing people are calling you, I need these 50%, 100%. That is how you start. That is how you start. Please do not sit around. The essence of this video is for you not to sit around. There are a lot of things to do. There are a lot of businesses you can go into. You can go into gadgets. People use gadgets. There are a lot of content creators out there. A lot of content creators out there. So going into gadgets, you are going to make money because people are getting equipment for their filming. You know what I'm saying? There are a lot of things. So please make sure to test yourself. Make sure to test yourself and know that, oh, don't say, oh, I'm not business inclined. I'm not business inclined. A lot of persons say this, but let me tell you, there is nothing like I'm not business inclined. Sorry to say this, but there is nothing like I'm not business inclined. Provided you can talk, provided you can express yourself, provided you can tell people, this is what you can do, this is what you can do, this is what you can use, you can do it. You can do it. I hear a lot of people say, I can't do business, I can't do business. Wait until you need money. Wait until you need money. Like in Nigeria, a lot of people, not just Nigeria, a lot of people love white collar job, probably 8 to 6 or 5 hours job, which is okay. Salary is good, but what happens when you are not able to get that? Even when you're able to get a white collar job, you still need something to sustain. Like Nigeria is not somewhere that you wait for just to spend a particular stream of income. Nigeria is not just somewhere you have to wait and, oh, okay, what I want to do. Not just Nigeria, just every part of the country, UK, US, like the tax you pay are a lot. So you need like multiple stream of income to get money to feed those bills. You understand? So guys, this is all I have to say. And if you have any questions regarding business, setting up any business, probably want to go into importation business, that is what I do. I coach people on how to go into importation business. If you want to import from China, you want to import from Turkey, you want to import from Bangladesh, whatever country you want to import from, I am there for you. And guys, please, I hope this video was able to convince you and not to confuse you on reasons why you should start up your business by 2025. If you're thinking, oh, 2024 is almost coming to an end, like I can't meet up, okay, wait 2025, start up hot, start up hot. You can use so many platforms to advertise your business. You can use Facebook Marketplace to advertise your business. You can use IG to advertise your business. You can use TikTok. You can use your WhatsApp status. My next video, I'll be telling you guys how to use your WhatsApp status to advertise your business. People in your contact list you never can tell who they are. Your friends contact, they are there. Share, tell people, don't be scared of telling people what you do. Do not be scared of telling people what you do. Go ahead, tell people this is what I do. And you will see yourself scaling through. Okay? So guys, please, if you're not subscribed to our channel, do want to subscribe to my channel, and I promise I'm going to be bringing a lot of mind-blowing business tips on how to start up your business. Bye. I love you.